Experiencing the dreaded PS3 Super Slim disk drive broken, not spinning issue? You're in the right place for an immediate fix. This isn't just frustrating, it stops your gaming dead. First, let's tackle the simplest solution. Power down your PS3 completely, unplug everything, wait a full minute to clear any residual power or minor system glitches, then reconnect and test with a different disk. This often resets the drive's internal state, resolving temporary hang-ups. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from physical obstructions, which brings us to method 2. Carefully remove your PS3's top cover and visually inspect the disk slot for any foreign objects or jam debris. Sometimes a tiny piece of plastic or dust can prevent the disk mechanism from moving freely. Clearing this can instantly restore functionality. But what if the problem is deeper? Method 3 involves a more thorough internal cleaning. Disassembling the console allows access to the disk drive unit. Use isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the laser lens. Dirt and grime are common culprits for read errors. Lubricate the moving parts lightly to ensure smooth operation. These steps prevent friction and improve disk detection. Finally, if all else fails, method 4 addresses laser alignment or replacement. Access the laser assembly and make tiny, precise adjustments to the calibration screw. This fine-tunes the laser's focus. If the laser is truly failing, replacing it is the ultimate fix, ensuring your PS3 Super Slim can read discs perfectly again.